Hello everyone, welcome back to our another tutorial. So today we'll learn how to WordPress SEO of our website. So in this tutorial we will learn how to do our website SEO for ranking in Google. So this is our example. Let's suppose. So if you can see here how to we can do our website like this on ranking, and how to add our description, how to add our tags, how to add our category, and how to define our titles in here, and how to we do uh, rank our website in Google. So this is a basic simply setup. So we need to generate a content, how to and now we find how what people are looking. So we go to our new page on Google. So here's our Google. So we find what is people looking. So our website is let's suppose our website is related to food. So we write a cake shop. So here's some options: cake shop near me, cake shop Islamabad. The people are searching something like this: cake shop to be a master, cake shop a boutique. So we need a more define. So here's also some options are come. So we find best. So bakery shop best, cake shop greater bar. So we have a lot of options. So we first we need to find our topic, and then we need to decide our topic which is the best for us. So we just go back and make cake at home. Let's suppose we finalize this tag, make cake at home. So now we need how to we our website rank in this. So what first thing I will explain you the ranking of Google is take a time. Is sometimes it's take 12 days, 15 days, or 5 days and 24 hours. So it's depend on the situation and depend on your choice of ranking. So we are going to this. So go back our post. So in WordPress, so add a post. So here's type a title: how to make cake at home. So here's this title. So our title is final, how to make a cake at home. So now our next step is generate our content. So our content is here. You can also generate your content by chat GPT, or you write your own self. So it's dependent on your situation. I have already generated, so you just click here, and this is bold text, and you can change here. Styling of your text is a text, color, advanced options, typography, medium, large. So you can also styling of your text something like this. So when you publish, now you need to publish your post. So this is our first step. We have decided our title, and now we have creating our post related to our topic. So our next step is permalinks. So what is permalinks? Permalinks is if you go to here, this is our website. So this is our permalinks that before after the title https recipe dot times. So this is our permalinks. So this is a YouTube watch. So this is our permalinks. So now we set our permalinks. Go to our website, go to our setting, permalinks. So it must be a post name and save change. So now our permalinks is a post name, something like this as post. You can see here this is now our permalinks like this. So permalinks must be a title. So also you include one or two images in between. This is very good for SEO. So that image's name is must be your title. So our another step we miss. So define your post category. Must cake shop, let's suppose. And the important part is tags. So tag is very important part. How to cake build at home, how to make cake at home. These tags are define your post, and these are very important for your SEO. So update your post. So go back. So our post is ready. So our the next step is permalinks. So permalinks completed. So our next step is SEO plugin. So go to SEO. So we have a lot of plugins for SEO. So I am using a Yoast SEO. You can use a rank math. These are all. So our plugins is installed. So now we activated our plugin. So this is a basic configuration of our plugin. So now I skip, but you must the configure your plugin. Start the first time. So start the SEO optimization. This step is very important. So define your organization, website name, our website organization, your logo. So we are using some of dummy because only learning purpose. So you can define your own, and your social media accounts, personal performance, this is not important. So go to SEO dashboard. So now go to our post, simply go to here. So now we make our website like this. This descriptions, content, tags, titles. So go back to our post. These options as come from our plugins. So these get related keywords here, basic content, tags वगैरह, tags etc. So here's our slug and meta description. Use AI. You can also use AI. Need to premium. Insert variable, site title, subreddit title, primary category. So you can define is according to your work. So something like this, and these are our URL, permalinks, and our title, slug. So this is our SEO purpose. So we need to fill according to our requirement. Desktop view like this, and mobile view like this. So SEO title as a title of our blog and page. So separator and our site title. So the meta description, the description we can generate ourselves. So we can get from our introduction here. Suppose you can generate yourselfly, or you can generate using chat GPT and whatever you want. So here's our descriptions, analysis of here's some suggestions of outbounding links, image not proper image, add some images. So internal links, make sure some internal external links. So redirects. So these are things must be improved is make our website more rankable. So these steps are you can perform on your blog post. You can add some images in the between, and you can set your featured image. Must be set your featured image here. so your discussion extract text also. So key phraser, what is key phraser? So you can read here the focus keywords, our focus keywords: how to make cake. So oh, sorry, so type our focus keywords here. So it's provide our related keywords. So it's taking a auth from Google. So when you log in, it's some suggest keywords, key phrases, so you can use from there. So I'm skipped now for. So readability, these are some suggestions for your blog post, so you fulfill these suggestions and your website is more readable. So this is a web page, item page. So these are our already page, our collections. So article type, so blog post, a news article. So define your article type. So we are our type is article, default page as a web page. So can item page. So now update. So now our post is updated because we are on local. If you are on live site, so it's take some time to ranking on your Google. And one more thing, go to our website in journal. Your site title, your taglines is must be defined properly here. So we have completed these steps for WordPress, and so our next and last step, so we'll go to our plugins. We need to Google Site Kit. So this is kit for our website for checking our website is ranked. This is a plugin we use for Google Site Rank. These provide a complete solutions, search console, analytics, speeds. If you are ads blogging websites for, it's also providing AdSense. So this is a complete solution of your websites. So this is analytically our search console and providing some suggestions, creating a sitemaps, and you are using this plugin. So creating sitemap by using Yoast SEO plugin. So let's go to. So our sitemap is activated. Tools. So for SEO purpose, setting. So here's our detailed setting of our website SEO plugin. So you can elaborate this setting, and you can enable or disable your feature according to your requirement. So site basics available: site name, site image, site blog, site preference, site representation, site connections, home page, our post. For this are default feature if you was set. So here's our curl, breadcrumbs features, author archives, so date archives. So these are our all special pages. So next is integration. So you can enable and disable your sitemap, elementors, each and everything from is setting here. Tools. So here's our tool: install, export, file editor, and these are our options we have. So our Google Site Kit is enabled. Go to dashboard. You must connect your Google account, sign in with Google, and you find all your features enabled of Google. You can use because we are on localhost, so just we are using sign in with Google. So because this is the local, so authentication issue, if you are in live site, you is automatically log in and your feature is enabled. So now we can wait 10 or 20 days, so 5 days, sometimes is 20 hours to rank your website. So this is a basic steps for your website ranking and your website, how to WordPress website, how SEO. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.